What's up, YouTube? Today I'm finna do gun in hand ran away prank on my mama and see what she do, cause this boy be running out the house for real. Well, I'm gonna get back with y'all. I gotta be quiet. Mom, Gunner had ran out the house. I can't get him. He already gone.
What you mean? How you run out the house, Maya?
Oh my God, bro.
How you run out the house? Call his name. Why you up there, baby? You see him? Oh my fucking God. How he get out, Maya? But baby, you standing up there like you. I can't put my shoes on. You see him? Gary! Come here. You standing up there ain't gonna help, Maya. You not hearing me? Put your shoes on and see if y'all can walk around apartments and see if you see Gunner, please. I don't need to hear that from Q. But you standing right there. You need to put your shoes on. I'm still at work. I can't leave. Where you at?
Not gonna even cap. I feel like she knew that it was a prank because all the cameras were set up. But just wait, just watch.
Gary! Come on. Where's she at? You see her? Maya, stop fucking lying, bro. He thought.
You thought, ma. You thought? Come on. Okay. Gunna was in this. Gunna was a part of this. Wasn't? Yes, she was. You a good boy. Yeah. I'm finna end the video here. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button. I just want to thank all y'all for 128 subscribers and 166 views on my recent video. I love all y'all and I hope you have a blessed day. Thank y'all again. Guys, like and subscribe. Bye.